Welcome back to Low Budget Motorcycles. As you see, that's our banner right there. Facebook, Cash App, PayPal, Instagram, Gmail. Check us out. Yeah, got some of these bikes in here. Some on layaway, waiting for their owners to finish paying for them. Today we're going to be changing the battery on this 2013 Yamaha FZ6. You need the battery changed on it. So we're going to give you a tutorial on how to change the battery. First thing first, get y'all set up here. Normally, you would have to take the back seat off to access the bolts to loosen up the rider seat, but we don't have the rider seat screwed in. It's supposed to be screwed in with these two right here. We already have the bolts out already. Once you unscrew them bolts, which sits down in there, you unscrew the bolts and you just pull the seat out, and you have the battery, access to the battery right here. So now just unloosen the bolts. Oops. Trying to hold the camera in one hand and do all this in the other hand. Kind of hard to do all that, but y'all get the idea. Move the cables out the way. Move the positive, negative cables out the way. Then we just slide the battery on out. Tiny little battery. I'll put y'all on pause so I can go get this new battery. I should have had it already set up and everything. Hold on 1 second. I ain't gonna put y'all on pause. Be back 1 second. Alright. We got the new battery right here. Brand new battery. Danger, poison. Do not get it in your eyes or spill it on your hands. Flush your eyes out if need be. So we're going to take these nuts and screws up out of the bag. And we're going to slide them. Slide them in. Be careful because they slide right back out because the bike is at an angle. Should be doing this on a bike stand where the bike is straight up and down. But we're gonna try to attempt to do this I ain't gonna sit that there, because if I sit it there, it's gonna fall down in between the bike somewhere. And then I'm being a world of trouble. Yep, so now, let's see if I can get it to catch. Yep, I got it to catch. Ain't that something? Now, the negative side. Let's see if we can get it to catch. Sometimes it catches, sometimes it don't. Alright. We're gonna have to play with this one here a little bit. I should have my flathead screwdriver, but I'm gonna just try to use my key to slide it over. Slide it over some. And hopefully it'll catch. Just like that. Make sure your connections are tight. Close everything back up. Well, before you close it up, let's check it out. Make sure it bike crank up. No check engine codes or nothing. Back on. Put the screws in the seat. Lock the seat in. Put your rear seat back on. That's how you change the battery on the Yamaha FZ6 2013. This bike is already on layaway, but if you're interested in anything else, we have this 2016 Harley Davidson XG 750. Still available, $5,100 cash. We also have 6 months or 1 year layaway. Add $400 to the cash price. 2010 Honda is on layaway already, and we got 2016 and a 2017 Harley Davidson XG 750. 2016 is going for $3,600 cash. And the 2017 is going for $4,100 cash. If you're interested, give us a call. Low Budget Motorcycles, 252-385-1566. Give us a call. We'll work it out. Like, subscribe, and share our videos. Check our other videos out. Thank y'all for watching. appreciate y'all subscribers.